Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. This is Mrs. Feller here to talk to you about the Classwork tab in Google Classroom. I'm going to be demoing this from a student's perspective. In this video, we're going to look at how a teacher may organize course content into topics, how to identify the different tasks or items posted in Classwork, and best practices for classwork success. Okay, let's go. You'll notice when you enter Google Classroom that there are 3 tabs across the top: the Stream, the Classwork, and the People. You can check out my other YouTube video about the Google Classroom Stream, but today we will look at the Classwork tab. The Classwork tab shows course materials and tasks, typically organized by topic as chosen by your teacher. This might be by unit, or by week, or by the type of task that you're asked to do. Ask your teacher for help if you don't understand how the materials are grouped. You'll notice that there are 3 types of icons next to the items posted in Classwork. You'll find a clipboard, a question mark, and a bookmark. 2 of these items will require a response and a submission from you. I will go over each of these in my next videos. When I click on a bookmarked page, I will find materials, such as a block of text or attachments, similar to the ones that I saw in the Stream post. I may find resources my teacher shared from a Google Drive, links to other websites, YouTube videos, or files. A bookmark page means course materials, not an assignment you have to complete or submit. That doesn't mean that these items aren't important, though. The clipboard may be an assignment where I'll need to attach an item to submit, or it may be a quiz delivered to me as a Google form. Either way, I'll need to mark the task as done to show the teacher I'm finished. A question mark indicates a simple question. It might be a multiple choice or short answer, and there will be a little box to type my response in the corner before I mark the task as done and turn it in. Now I want to be as successful as possible in my class, so I'm going to need to keep up to date with the course announcements and tasks as they're posted by the teacher. I'm going to contact the teacher with my questions, either by emailing them or posting a private comment directly on the item in Google Classroom. I'll go over the tasks in the Classwork tab in more depth in my next videos. Until then, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay well.